Oh, let's play Kovalev again. Another bad pairing. Yeah. What happened to Canada? Be aggressive. That's like, be aggressive. Do you want me to play the King's Gambit? Is that what you mean? Do you want me to play the King's Gambit? Is that what you want? I don't think so. This is what I had against Kovalev earlier. So we're gonna play the same line. This is what I played earlier, right? Really? Okay. Interesting. Okay, I mean, I have d4. Got knight h4. Play d4 not. d4, e4, knight h4. I'm gonna go for this. Pressure in the center of the board as quickly as possible. Knight h4 is also a move, I think, but this looks very good for me, I think. I actually beat Kovalev in this in the early TT. He's thinking for a long time here, so let's see if I can punish him. Goes to e4. Okay, so of course I go knight h4. Ah, he has an idea. Okay. g8. Okay, he has a legit idea here, which I did not see. If I go f3. No, then he goes f. Did he come up with a something? He did. I think he came up with something pretty solid here. What do I do this? Okay, I'm thinking too long. Maybe I'm gonna play f4. I don't like it, but I think I have to do it. Play for f5. Maybe it's still okay because f5 with queen h5. I still have f5 to hit the bishop and win the pawn. It's a very, very messy position, but I think I'm okay here. I hope I'm okay. Oh, queen h5 has got queen f6. Rook d1. Queen h5, queen f6, takes, queen d5, queen h6. d1 or d8. I think I'm gonna go for it. I don't know if it works. Oops, here. I'm going all in here. Like, I'm gonna win or lose this game right here in the next like 3 or 4 moves. I think. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Let's go. G4 and F5. All aboard the choo-choo train. And either I break through and win this game or I lose right here. There's no in between. That's why I'm not talking either. It's either I win or I lose right here. I guess I can pre-move F5 in case he takes. I mean, I don't think he will, but it's a safe pre-move, so why not? Goes rook g8, so wait, so now I have g5, wait. Or do I take? Wait, I've also... Yeah, okay, I guess I have to go g5. I think I'm gonna sack, actually. Oh, no, he's got bishop f4. Shoot. I could still take and go c4, though. A5, c5, knight, b3, queen f7. Yeah, let's just go for it. Oh dear. Okay. We got the win.